Here is how to know who liked you on Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can know who liked you on the Badoo app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to the encounter section like this. Now in order to see who liked you on the app, you can tap on the likes option that you can see at the bottom. When you tap on likes, you will see the list of all the people that have liked you on the app. However, their photos and profile will be blurred. In order to remove the blur and see who liked you on the app, you will have to purchase the premium plan. However, even though it is blurred, you can see the outline of their picture and guess who the person might be from the encounter section. So to conclude, you will find the list of all the people that have liked you on the app in the likes section. Then if you want to see their picture clearly, you will have to pay for it. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.